Welcome to a sanctuary nestled in the heart of a tranquil community, where every day feels like a retreat. Step into this enchanting single-family villa, where carefree living meets exquisite amenities. Upon entering, you're greeted by a light-filled living space, seamlessly connecting the living room, dining room, and kitchen, perfect for relaxation or entertaining guests. This home boasts a wealth of modern features, including a 1-year new tile roof, HVAC system, and impact windows throughout. Outside, a tranquil patio beckons for morning coffees or evening barbecues amidst nature's beauty. And with exclusive access to the community boat dock. Pool, and recreation center, every day offers endless opportunities for adventure and relaxation. Located in Windermere, this villa offers the perfect balance of tranquility, easy lifestyle, and convenience. With easy access to a 78-mile bike trail and nearby amenities, it's a rare opportunity to embrace the beauty of Citrus County in style. Don't miss out on this extraordinary opportunity. Schedule your showing today and discover the epitome of refined living in Citrus County.